back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and I'm going to show you how today. We are going to make something that you can put on the side of any meal. I'm going to put it on the side of spaghetti tonight, but we are going to make pull-apart garlic and oregano rolls. So these are super simple. I'm going to use store-bought dough. We're gonna whip these together. They come together super, super fast. They're very savory. They're very delicious. They come in super low in calories. They are a smidge higher than a regular dinner roll, but you have butter and Parmesan cheese and garlic and all these wonderful flavors going on. And you get to pull them apart, which is kind of fun. So anyhow, I want to thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so down below. Smash that like button. And if you have any questions or concerns or comments, please do so down below. But I will have the whole entire recipe in the description box, and it's a serving for 8. We're gonna make 8 of these. Each one of these rolls is coming in at 153 calories, so that's not so bad. And they're buttery and they're flavorful. But why do I need to keep talking about it? I'm gonna show you. We're gonna throw these together super, super fast. So take a seat and let's enjoy this. Let's get cooking. We are going to make our herby garlic butter first. So I have about 2 tablespoons of butter here, about a tablespoon of olive oil, or you can use whatever oil you prefer. We're gonna add some fresh garlic. And I went out to my garden and got some fresh oregano that I have pulled. And what I want to do on the oregano is I want to get all of the leaves off. I don't want any stem in here. So I need about a tablespoon of this chopped. So as soon as I have this to the right thing, I'm going to mince it up. I'm going to add that to the melted butter and garlic and olive oil. So I've melted that in the microwave for about 30 seconds. We're going to mix this together and we're going to set it aside. So we just need to get our dough ready. This is, as you can see, a Pillsbury French bread dough. You can get any kind of French bread dough that you prefer on this, or if you want to make your own. We're going to get this out of this container. As soon as it is my big long snake, I'm going to make 8 portions of these. So I'm going to cut it into 8 pieces. As soon as I have those 8 pieces, I'm going to cut each of those pieces into 4 and roll them into little balls. We will quickly do this, and we are going to put together these knots. So these come together super, super quick. 20 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. They crisp up super beautiful. As soon as we have these all in balls, I'm going to prepare my muffin pan. So I just need 8 of these that I'm going to spray down with any kind of cooking spray that you prefer. As soon as we have those sprayed, I'm going to take half of the dough balls, well, not quite half, and we're going to roll these in our garlic butter. So I'm just going to put enough in so they don't stick together. I'm going to use a fork because that is super easy. And for some reason, you guys don't get to see, but did happen, I put 2 of the garlic butter ones and 2 of the non-garlic butter ones in each pan, each little muffin cup, and then I'm going to put Parmesan cheese on the top of this. In and out of the oven. And you can see how they get crispy on all these different edges. That's the fun part about the knots. I'm going to break one of these open, and they look so good. They smell amazing. Okay, you can see how quickly those came together. I'm going to say this was one hot bite. These are so good, and honestly, they come together so fast. That was super simple. The store-bought dough made it super easy, and just throwing together those simple ingredients made these incredibly beautiful pull-apart rolls. And again, you can throw them together. They bake in 20 minutes, 350 degrees, and it was so fast that you could mix together a plate of pasta or a wonderful salad to go with these. But let's give them a taste. This is so good. I just pulled one of the knots off. So you have as many crusty edges as you can get. So by doing them in the muffin cups, you get all those crispy edges, as many coming in as you would like. The Parmesan cheese is so good. That's such a great rich cheese. The oregano sometimes can be super overpowering. You can kind of smell it in the house right now, but it balances the garlic and the cheese and the butter and the roll really nicely. So you can also buy dried Italian seasoning if that's what you want to do, but the fresh herbs really, I mean, as you know, fresh herbs in any dish really bring it together. So I'm gonna say this is one incredible bite. But I love you guys, and I'll see you next Monday, and we're gonna make something awesome again.